In this part, we'll answer two important questions. What is C, and why should you learn it? Let's get started. C is a general-purpose programming language created back in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It's often called the mother of all programming languages because so many modern languages, like C++, Java, C#, and even Python, were influenced by it. C is known for being powerful, fast, and close to the hardware, but still easier to use than assembly language. With C, you can write programs that directly interact with memory and hardware, which is why it's still used in operating systems, embedded systems, game engines, and compilers. Now, why should you learn C in today's world? Here are a few reasons. Strong foundation. Learning C gives you a solid understanding of how computers work under the hood, memory management, pointers, data types, and more. These concepts carry over to almost every other language. Speed and efficiency. C is one of the fastest languages out there. If you care about performance, like in games or embedded systems, C is still the go-to choice. Versatility. C runs everywhere, from tiny microcontrollers in your microwave all the way up to massive supercomputers. Gateway to other languages. Once you understand C, learning languages like C++, Java, or even Python becomes way easier, because many of their concepts come straight from C. So, to sum it up, C is a powerful and foundational programming language. Learning it gives you low-level control, speed, and a deeper understanding of how computers work, and it sets you up for success in software development, system programming, and beyond. If you're excited to start this journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go.